me, it's got to be the rise and continued rise of insight engines and emerging technology. So I think we're finally starting to see real-world, practical use cases of AI, finally. And that's centered around, a lot of that's centered around intelligent discovery platforms. The industry's been guilty of harping on for a long time about being able to unlock the potential of data and information right across the enterprise. But I guess it's only really now with advances in NLP, in classification, enrichment, data science, these kinds of technologies, that we're starting to unlock and deliver on that promise. And I have a hunch in 2021 that we're going to see a widespread adoption of these sorts of tech in a myriad of different ways. It's going to be seen as a fundamental part of an information and data strategy that underpins all of the goals and ambitions of an organization to try to manage, control and operationalize data and finally put AI to work. Why it matters, I guess the key is actually being able to exploit and unlock the full potential of the information, because the majority of information and data across the enterprise is considered dark or misunderstood, unclassified. I think the difference between an insight engine brings is it starts to add value to all of the information across the enterprise, whether that's structured information or whether that's unstructured content or structured data. Connects it together, contextualizes it, allows you to enrich that information to be able to do something with it. So really the goal is to drive added value, insight, true insight from the information that you've got across the business to be able to make decisions faster, or to bring your company in line with whatever strategic objectives it has, or compliance challenges it has. And in order to do that, you need to understand everything about the information and data that you have at your disposal, and get that under control. So it's probably the key. It would be nice to meet. It'd be nice to meet some of my team members that I've never actually met before in person. It's a strange situation when you have people that have worked for the company for a long period of time and they haven't actually set foot in the office, or you haven't actually met them in person. So that would be nice. I guess just getting out of the little bubble the bubbles that we've all lived in as well, right? Before we all get cabin fever. And it'd be very nice to end up going out for a bite to eat, or going to the pub for a drink. So something along those lines, I guess, would be good.